With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello, the question says that a black solid P dissolves in warm and dilute HCl to form a greenish blue solution Q, but does not give off any gas. The solution Q, on treating with ammonium hydroxide, forms bluish white precipitates of R. The precipitates of R dissolve in excess of ammonium hydroxide solution to form a deep blue coloration. Identify the solid P and bluish white precipitates of R. Write equations for action of excess of ammonium hydroxide on R. Now, by looking at the second statement that a solution Q on treatment with ammonium hydroxide forms a bluish white precipitate, and this precipitate of R dissolve in excess of ammonium hydroxide. This gives us a hint about that the solution Q may be an aqueous solution of copper plus 2, because copper plus 2 on reaction with ammonium hydroxide forms a blue precipitate, and on treating with excess ammonium hydroxide it forms a deep blue coloration. And also the oxide of copper, which is CuO, is black in color. So this confirms that our black solid P is copper oxide and Q solution is a solution of aqueous copper. Now let's see what are all the reactions. So the first reaction was when P reacts with warm and dilute HCl. So our P is copper oxide CuO. When it reacts with 2 moles of HCl dilute and warm, then it gives CuCl2 and water. Now CuCl2 is a greenish yellow solution and copper oxide is a black solid. Now the second reaction stated that when this solution was treated with ammonium hydroxide, it gave blue precipitate. So on treating CuCl2 with ammonium hydroxide, we get copper hydroxide, which is CuOH whole twice, and NH4Cl. Now we will multiply NH4OH by 2 and NH4Cl by 2. Now the reaction is balanced and the color of this copper hydroxide is bluish white, and this copper chloride, when reacts with ammonium hydroxide, it gives copper hydroxide, and when further this precipitate of copper hydroxide is reacted with excess of ammonium hydroxide, it gives us CuNH3 whole 4 and a charge of plus 2 was present on this complex, so it is balanced by 2 times of hydroxide ions. Now this reaction is balanced when we multiply this NH4OH by 4. Now the reaction is balanced and the color of this complex is deep blue. So these were all the reactions. So let us once write down all the unknowns. So the first unknown was P, the second one was Q, and the third one was R. So the first unknown is copper oxide CuO, the second unknown is copper chloride, which is CuCl2, and the third unknown is copper hydroxide. So these were all the unknowns and we have written all the reactions. So this was the solution to this question. Thank you for watching.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.